Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Technical MA. In this video tutorial we will learn some extra features like this guide. So please watch this video till the very end. Now, if you are new here, then please consider to subscribe this channel and ring the bell icon. And if you haven't watched my previous video, then please go to my channel and watch the entire videos, because there are a lot of knowledge in the videos. So actually in this video I'm going to show you how to use and utilize these extra options in Pixellab App. So before of this start this video, I will request you please consider to subscribe this channel once again, and let's get started. First of all, I'm going to change this color because I don't like it. You go to first of all click here and click in the center button and click on edit. Okay, now you can change your opacity. Okay, I've changed. Click here your color and drag it small. Okay, now it's like sun. So now it's good or not? Let me know in the comment section below. Now it's perfect design. Okay, so we can save it, but there are two more options: save, share, and comma. What is these? What are these? First of all, click on save. There are two other options: save as image and save as a project. Let me know about project. If you save this project with the name of project, you can change it later. Sorry for it, because this app is completely free and that's why you should watch the ads. So let them credit. Okay, but this is save as image. I want to save as image. Click on save it. There are a lot of options. First of all, you can select your format as a JPEG or PNG. So I prefer JPEG because it's usually use JPEG and this is quality is enough, and this is custom. So here you can select your graphics resolution, like whenever I click ultra, size is not here, mention it. Okay, because it will be change the size. If I click very high, then it will be change the size, but I click custom, I can change size manually. So I wouldn't like to change the size manually. I want to set it default. What is default? Default is that which size you had chosen before when you make the project. So I'm going to let medium, not medium, ultra, and save it. Okay, this, oh sorry for this is credit book. Okay, this is saved completely, and this is comma. What is comma? Here are, you can see the codes. You don't need to write any code for your uh, Instagram post, Facebook story, and etc. So you will be able to drag all the tags from here. There are many codes, so you can, many are called but few get up. Oh, what code? Do you like or not? We will discuss more about this. So let them video stop this video. Thanks for watching. For more new videos, please consider to subscribe this channel. Stay tuned. Goodbye.